Let's change your iPhone color back to normal. Now, if you're on your iPhone and the color is all messed up, like it is in my case, there are a couple different ways that we can change this back. The first thing we're going to do is change these app icons. So I'm going to press and hold somewhere on the phone screen that there is not an app. So somewhere in the blank space. And then we can just tap on Edit and Customize here. Now you can see one thing that you might have accidentally chosen is clear or tinted, and I can go back to just the default option. However, you'll see even after I choose default, the colors are still messed up. So this might fix your problem, or it might not. If it doesn't fix the problem, we're going to hop out of here instead and go into your settings. Now, most likely you accidentally or someone else accidentally switched on some color filters or smart invert on your phone that mixes up all the colors. To be able to turn that off, all we need to do is find an option that says smart invert, classic invert, or color filters. Depending on which one is turned on, you can turn that off. You can see my entire iPhone screen goes from black to white if I turn off smart invert, but you can see everything is still looking weird. That's because color filters is turned on to green and red. Again, turn this off, and now you'll be able to see if I hop out of here, all of the colors on my phone are back to normal.